Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum, cześć, jak się masz? Welcome to my channel, howdy y'all. I hope you're all okay. I thought I would do this additional little video for you for the bank holiday Monday, because it's probably raining where you are. And so I thought I would do something a little bit different just to maybe possibly cheer you up. So, I came across something last week on YouTube, an advert, or I think it was Facebook, I can't remember, it was an advert for a toy. And I was like, what is that? And I thought, right, I'm going to get... I went online, first of all, to have a look and see how much they were. And I thought, well, they're not that expensive. So I went online and I bought 2 Happy Monkey. So the original advert that I saw, these were called Fingerlings. So I was like, right, okay. So I had to look at them and I couldn't see any, well, initially I couldn't see any. Okay, let's start at the beginning. I just looked at the first one that came up on eBay and saw it was the cheapest and thought, well, that's got to be it. And I bought 2. Now I did request 2 of 2 different colors, but they sent me 2 of the same color. So I sent an email to them saying, look, I specifically asked for 2 different colors. You've sent me the 2 colors. I really want to send one back because I don't want the same color. I wanted 2 different ones because they're supposed to interact with each other. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a little unboxing of just one of them, and we'll have a look and see how it is, this Happy Monkey. You're down a bit closer now looking at the workbench, and I have here, you can see the 2 boxes of the Happy Monkeys, and they both have a blue color. So like I said, I'm not going to open one of them because I'm going to send that back and get a different color. Now these aren't the ones that I saw, which are called Fingerlings. So these are sort of like the fake Fingerlings. Now I went online today and I did actually see some original branded Fingerling ones. So I've actually ordered a couple of them to see how they compare to these fake ones. So we're going to be taking a look at these ones first. So first of all, it says Happy Monkey, friendship your fingertips, not friendship at your fingertips. It just says friendship your fingertips. Or maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. I don't know. 40 plus sounds. I react to touch, motion, and sounds. Swing them, purr them, rock them to sleep. So that's definitely really bad English because it's swing them, purr them. So yeah, okay, I think that's possibly not written correctly. Let's have a look. Lovable wearable pets, Happy Monkey. That's about it. It says on the box. Let's take a look. So there is my little Happy Monkey. Let's have a look at the instructions. Pet your monkey's head, your monkey will show love. Tap your monkey head for fun reactions. Press and hold both sensors for a silly surprise. Blow air kisses to your monkey will kiss you back. Clap once or twice, watch it monkey around. So there's lots of different things it can do, apparently. The instructions are in different languages. I don't know which is the original language. Chinese, Japanese, Chinese. Finger monkey, one user manual. 4 button cells. Oh, so it does have the batteries. Okay, so it's got here on the instructions. I'll take a photograph of them. Cap sensor, the microphone is in his mouth, on off at the back, battery information, how to play, and then that's the, okay, so it use only fresh batteries of the required size, do not mix, remove rechargeable batteries from the toy before charging them, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's fine. On the other side, hang your monkey upside down, explore your monkey's silly side, cradle your monkey for sleepy reactions. To conserve energy, your finger monkey will enter sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. Flip the power switch off and on again to bring your monkey back to life. When the batteries grow weak, Finger Monkey will become slow and unresponsive. When this happens, power off and replace all the batteries. Right, okay. And then we have a happy little child playing with her Finger Monkey. Happy monkey. So let's take him out of his blister pack. And there we go. So he's got a little hook on his tail that you're supposed to swing him around. He's got sensors on his head. There's the speaker, and that is the microphone. And you're supposed to put him on your finger like that. Okay, so let's switch him on. Ah! Hey. So you're supposed to put your hand over his head and then he farts. Did I switch him off? Now he's completely unresponsive. Right, let's turn him off. And let's turn him on again. There we are. I did something. I don't know what I did to him. I think his batteries are dead because he's becoming rather... Oh. That doesn't seem to be a good sign, does it? No, he doesn't seem to be very responsive, does he? Right, let me get a little screwdriver and let's open the back of him. Oh, hello. Okay, now the thing's going crazy. Okay, seems to be stopping and starting. I think the batteries would possibly are going on him. So 2 little screws at the back. One there. And one there. And he takes these types of button cell batteries. Now, let's just see if it is just a requirement that he just needs a little bit of fiddling around to get his batteries. They don't make this easy to put the batteries in because they sort of like, you've got to squash them down before you can get the next batteries on top. Okay, so I got 2 in. So you put, I think that's the way they go in. Okay, we'll soon find out. So I'll put 1 battery in there. And then I'm going to squish the battery up. And then put the other one in. Oh, this is not easy. Stay there. God, this is really hard to get the batteries in. Okay, in. Squish down. Next battery. Get in. There we go. Right. God, that was fiddly. Right, let's try him again. Okay, that seems to be okay. Let me turn him off. I'm just going to put these screws back in. I hope the batteries are okay because I don't have any of these batteries. I wasn't quite sure what ones that is used on him. Okay, let's put the other screw back in on the other side. There we go. So this is apparently is a fake fingerling. I haven't seen the original ones to tell. His hands and feet are slightly movable because you're able to sort of like put him on things. You could put him on, for example, on the screwdriver, so he sits on there like that. You can also then put him on your little finger to swing him around, and he makes noises and stuff with swinging him around. And you can also blow on his face as well. So anyway, so let's switch him on and let's see what happens. Yeah, I have a feeling that the batteries on these are on their way out because he's not very responsive, and he's not. See what I mean? Right, okay, I tell you what, stuff it. Let's open the other one. These aren't sort of like fixed in or anything, they're only popped in, so I can always pop him back in the box to see. Let's try this one. Okay, the other one's going crazy. Turn him off. Do not buy Happy Monkey. Let's turn him back on. Let's try if I blow on his face. Oh, you're supposed to blow a kiss if you blow on his face, so let's try it. Ah. I suppose if you clap your hands. Hang on a second, let me hang him up. Let me leave him there. He goes to sleep. And he's woken up. Now he's gone to sleep. Yeah, I can't see these being very... Kids being bored with these after a little while. Let's see if I can stand him up in his box. And let's see if I can see what he does when you clap your hands. So he is actually sound responsive when you clap your hands. Oh, he is kind of cute though, you have to admit. I don't think it's that evil looking. I think it is kind of cute. I think kids will get very bored with it very easily, even though it is rather cute. So let's see if this one has just got enough power in him so I can play the 2. See, the battery on this one's already gone. Aww, and now they're asleep. So there we go, something very, very quick and very, very silly just on these little fingerlings. Like I said, I do have some original fingerlings coming next week, which we will try. And I also have, I'll get some batteries as well, so I can put some fresh batteries in them, because I think they're all the same. They're both asleep now. So there we go, just a silly little video for you for the Bank Holiday Monday on these little finger monkeys. I hope you enjoy this, and join me again very soon for some more See, the battery in this now is working fine. Some more videos. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!